Football may be exciting, but efficient operations are more like ballet, predictable and flowing. If there's too much drama and surprises going on in your operations, then this is the section for you. Demand management and demand smoothing, by reducing variation and uncertainty of demand, is a really good thing in operations and supply chain management. It helps create even flow through our operations, which is a cornerstone of lean philosophy, for good reasons. But what can we actually do to actively influence and smooth our demand, to have fewer big unexpected swings that cause so much trouble to accommodate? Many might think, demand levels? Well, that's out of our hands. The customer wants something and they can place an order when they want. We can't control that. But there are lots of things we can do to influence the demand, especially to reduce the variation of demand placed upon our business operations. The more level, or at least consistent and predictable our demand is, the easier it is for us to plan our capacity and run a more responsive and cost-effective operation. We can divide methods of demand management into two groups: external and internal. External demand management is to influence the behavior of our customers. Internal demand management is to look within our own operations.